I am a real Chinese food fan. All the elders in my family absolutely love this oil, free chive pie. We use not a single drop of oil for kneading dough or pan. Frying, the crust is fresh and dry with an incredibly rich wheat flavor. It's super delicious, simple and easy to learn. If you like traditional Chinese pasta, you have to try it. Add 3 grams of salt to 300 grams of flour to make the dough more chewy. Pour in 200 milliliters of warm water at 50 degrees Celsius. Stir into floccules. Knead it into a slightly soft dough. When no dry flour remains, it will be a little sticky. Just wet your hands slightly and keep kneading until the water and flour blend well. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, dab a little water on the dough. Knead it a few more times, and the dough will become perfectly smooth. Cover again and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Wash the chives ahead of time and drain all the water, then chop them finely. Mix well with cooled scrambled eggs. The oil from the eggs can coat the chives and lock in the freshness. Add salt right before wrapping, stir evenly, and the filling is ready. Sprinkle some dry flour on the kneading mat. Take out the rested dough, dust the surface a little, roll it into a long strip, and cut into equal dough pieces. Seal the cut side, press flat, roll into wrappers, thin around the edges, and thick in the middle. Add the filling and press it down. Hold the wrapper into a bowl shape. Pinch it closed just like making a bun. Flatten the seal and press it to the bottom. So there are 1 TB hard dough lumps. Preheat the electric pan first. Flatten the back of the pie. Place it front side up and press it thinner. Cover and fry. When the bottom turns golden, flip it over. Fry until the other side is colored. Flip again until both sides are nicely browned. Then it's done. Look at this homemade chive pie. No oil at all. Super soft. The crust is dry and fragrant, full of authentic farmhouse taste. It's so tasty I'll never get tired of eating it every day. If you love simple Chinese pasta dishes, save this recipe and have a try.